I think to some extent I can tell you, I lost my own country. There's a lot of problems. Last 51 years, I think at my age 16, I lost my freedom. And inexperienced, modern educated, nothing. I carry the responsibility to look after Tibetan people. And Chinese invasion already started. Difficult period. Therefore, I say I lost my freedom. Then my age 24, I lost my own country. Last 51 years, so that almost every occasion when we receive some information from Tibet, always heartbreaking news. Of course, occasionally some sort of positive, that mainly positive Tibetan spirit, as I mentioned earlier, very strong, very, very sort of encouraging situation. Otherwise, very bad, very sad. So usually I in short, usually I describe Tibetan, one ancient nation with ancient cultural heritage now dying. So very much sort of what's the sad things. However, my emotional level, calm, happy. And as a Buddhist, particularly the student of Nagarjuna, we must be realistic. When things become difficult, accept that. As Shandadeva stated, when we face some problem, investigate that problem, nature of that problem. If that problem can overcome through effort, then no need to worry. If that problem, no way to overcome, then no use to worry. Very realistic approach. So use human intelligence properly, wisely. Try, in order to keep our emotion mind calm. Then, no matter what the situation, you can be a happy person and also useful for other people. So that should be considered goal. Then become rich, good, more help to other people. Remain poor, okay, less work, less worry. Then 2 hands there. Try to help other people as much you can and share with others suffering. Then individual life become meaningful life. Whether believer or non-believer, so long our life remain that way. Then the last day, you feel very happy. You can proudly say goodbye. Otherwise, you see, too many money in bank, you may feel very worried. Now, after my death, that money where go? Isn't it? Do you agree? Like that.